Hi traders, in this short video I'm gonna be showing you how I traded EURUSD today, the 17th of October 2025. Here I'm on a daily time frame. Alright, so today is Friday. I traded the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So when it's Friday and price has been strongly moving in one direction with a nice clear bias, whether to the upside or downside, and of course in this case this week we've been bullish, we can then expect a weekly reversal back to at least 75% of the move or 50% of the move of the weekly move. So this is the weekly low, weekly high. We reverse from there to at least 75 or 50% of this weekly range. So how do we anticipate that trade? Okay, how do we anticipate if Friday is gonna give us that reversal to close the week? Okay, here we can clearly see that price reached this bullish order block, this bearish order block on daily time frame nicely right there. So this is the daily order block that we reached right there. Daily bearish order block right here. We can then expect sensitiveness from there to give us that weekly reversal or retracement into 50% or 75% of this move, weekly move. So let's switch to smaller time frames and see how you could have catch this trade just like me. Alright, 30-minute time frame, that's where I spotted a nice setup. Okay, so price having reached the daily order block right here on a Friday, so here this is yesterday's high right here, yesterday's high. YL stands for yesterday's high right there. Nice clear highs right here. We can mark even this candle right here as our yesterday's daily high. It's fine. Okay, but I like to mark these highs right here. It's fine. Yesterday's high. So what happened is we broke above this yesterday's high right here. This vertical line delineate our New York midnight time candle right here. This NMT is our New York midnight time open price level right here. This small red candle, down close candle, is our New York midnight time price level right here. Remember, if we are going to be bearish, we wanna sell above this New York midnight time price level or at New York midnight time price level. That's where we wanna put our sell positions if we are bearish. So today I've been looking to short since it's Friday. I anticipated the TGIF. Remember, TGIF stands for thank God it's Friday. Okay, so that's what I anticipated. Right here, this line delineates New York open, New York session right here. This one is London session. Okay, this side here is my Asian session. Okay, so we consolidate around right here during Asia, and then we break above Asian session. During the London session, we take out this Asian session high, grabbing liquidity above right there. Liquidity grab, and we are also above yesterday's high. So we have lots of liquidity, lots of buy side liquidity that have been used by smart money to take price down. Okay, those willing buyers up here have been manipulated. When this broke aggressively above Asian high, uninformed traders actually thought that it's still continuing going up during the London session. And remember, if this was resistance here during this consolidation, when we break above, when this comes back down, uninformed traders will be buying, expecting this resistance to be support, only to find out that price will break below aggressively, and then boom, this is the high of day. So knowing that we have reached bearish order block on daily time frame, we knew that this will no longer go up. London session gave us a nice daily high right there. We were no longer expecting any movement to the upside. Okay, after this, so let me just line this nicely. Okay, right, to make it straight, and this one as well, I want to make it straight. Alright, so yesterday's high right here, we grab liquidity above it. Now our draw on liquidity will be down here. I will show you. For me, the draw on liquidity is actually this low here. After that low, we have this draw on liquidity down here. that's where price will likely go to from this daily bearish order block. We take external range liquidity above these highs, yesterday's high and Asian high. We now target internal range liquidity pools, which are short-term lows inside this price leg. Okay, we have liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here. So we have traded nicely into this guy here, this short-term swing low, then price stays above it, nicely. Okay, look at the candle bodies respecting this price level. Very, very nice. This is precision, beautiful price delivery. Okay, so here is my setup. Number one, I knew that okay, we have this price level here, which is New York midnight time price level. I want to sell above or right on it. If I'm bearish, I want to sell above or at this price level. First, I want to see a market structure shift with bearish order block. So that's what I got here. When we traded below this low, this is the shift in market structure. Do we have our fair value gap? Yes, which is the one that I'm annotating right now. Nice fair value gap right there. Nice fair value gap right there. Market structure shift. MSS market structure shift. We then look for fair value gap. Price trades back into the fair value gap. I put my sell limit order right at the low end of this fair value gap. So it's a very nice trade, nice precision there. So we've got our M30 fair value gap. Okay, the fair value gap actually confirms that indeed bearish order flow is in place. Okay, is actually active. Smart money is actually going down now. They are selling using that daily bearish order block. So this whole week, this daily bearish order block have been a draw on liquidity. We reach it on Friday. You can expect that TGIF trade to take place. All right, we were not looking to buy today. Okay, a very nice TGIF trade right there during the London session. And if we use our Fibonacci tool, you will not see that you will see that our fair value gaps overlaps nicely with OTE, 62% OTE. Boom, 62% OTE right there, just a little bit above the lower end of the fair value gap. Okay, so now we have a very strong confirmation. We are at OTE, fair value gap, very, very, very strong setup right there. Very, very strong setup. Last up close candle, that's our bearish order block. We hit it right there. There are so many things that you can use to confirm your strong setup, but I don't need to see it reaching this last upclose candle. The fair value gap alone created while we have market shift in market structure. That's a very strong confirmation without even needing to see it reaching into the last upclose candle. And remember, these are consecutive upclose candles, so we treat them as one bearish order block with fair value gap. OTE, boom, nice sell during the London kill zone. Okay, a very nice trade right there. I banked my 1:3 nicely from there. Another confirmation that I saw, look at this, we make a lower high. Okay, this candle came in at 600 London open right here. This one, according to this broker's time, it came in at this candle came in at 530, so we form a lower high. But if we check the GBP/USD, very same candles, this one formed a higher high right here. That's a higher high, so this is our nice SMT right there. Higher high while we have a lower high. SMT after reaching higher time frame area of interest, bearish order block, boom, nice trade. Now this line delineates our new kill zone. We also had a nice bearish fair value gap right here. Price trade into that bearish fair value gap, goes down to reach the target for the day. By next week, I won't be surprised if we see them trading lower to this liquidity pool down here, because remember, this is market maker sell model right here. Consolidation, rally, we have accumulation, rally, accumulation, rally, last accumulation during the Asian session, boom, fake move to the upside, Judas swing, we come down, shift in market structure, that's your sell right there. So now the sell program is on to target this initial consolidation of the market maker buy model. So that's how I traded this TGIF trade today, being Friday. Thank you so much. I hope you find this video insightful. Stay tuned for my next week analysis on this pair. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share the video with other fellow traders so that they may also get to learn and grow with us. Our main aim is to grow a very strong community of traders using ICT concepts. It's been working for me very nicely. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.